Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can delete clips on Twitch. So to begin with, you have to open the desktop version of Twitch.tv website. Make sure to request a desktop version because automatically it obviously assumes that you use a mobile phone, so it provides you with a mobile version of the website. Upon doing so, tap on your profile, log into of course, then tap over here, go into the creator dashboard. After that, open this little menu, the navigation menu to be exact, then go for the content, clips. In here there are two categories of clips you can remove, either the clips that you have created, which you can select like so, and choose the delete selected option. And the same goes for the clips that were created for your channel out of your streams, if you have any, of course. So all that you need to do for it is, just choose the clip that you would like to remove, select it, tap on the delete selected button, confirm your choice, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.